So we've had a lot of really bad weather here in Indiana this last week. I mean, we've had tremendous amount of rain and a lot of wind. Temperatures have dropped. So with the amount of wind that we had today, I didn't want to go out to the lake, and the river was flowing so hard I didn't want to put the boat in there. It's all muddied up. We're in the middle of a cold front. Well, technically we're post front now, high pressure system. So instead of going out on the river, I decided to hit up a couple ponds, catch some largemouth for a change, and everything went really good. Ended up catching 4. I think 3 of them are on video, but I mean, it was brutal out there. The only thing I could really consistently get a bite on was a Berkley Pitbull square bill crankbait in special red craw. That's the color. Same color as the one I've been throwing out on the river, just in a square bill version. And tried throwing that, a tube, and a finesse jig. Tried various colors, different trailers, and the square bill was the only one I could consistently get bit on until I broke the bill off of it. So after I finally got cold, I mean, I had to put my storm suit on just to stay warm out there. It's gusting upwards of 25 to 30 mile an hour, and it got cold quick, or I got cold quick. Who am I kidding? But anyways, we're gonna hit the river tomorrow, depending on the weather. If the winds aren't real bad, I may go out to the lake. But if the winds aren't bad tomorrow, I'll definitely be hitting up the lake. I know it's going to be really muddy. Probably going to have to be throwing black and blue jigs and really big, bulky Texas rigs. But we'll see what happens then. I'll link as much of the equipment that I was using today down in the bottom in the comment, or in the description section. So if you guys are interested in any of the equipment that I use, cameras, rods, reels, line, boat, and I'll definitely be putting on my sonar, all my sonar stuff on there too. I'm working on a special project that all of you guys are probably going to enjoy. Yeah, I'm not going to say any more about it right now, but you know, I hope you guys enjoy these videos. I don't do this for a living. I do it for fun. I'm definitely going to start putting more tips and tricks and tactics in the videos more here in the future. Didn't really think I'd get that much of a following, to be honest. But now that I've gotten up to 110 subscribers as of this morning, I'm definitely going to start putting some more stuff out there. So, I hope you guys enjoy. We'll catch you next time. Tight lines, everyone. Alright guys, made it to the water. Just going to start out with a little crankbait here. See if anything wants to come up here on these rocks and munch on some crawfish. There we go. Got our first fish on the second cast. Decent one too. Oh, and he choked it. He choked it. Nice little pounder. Whoop. Here, little guy. Oh, Lord, you're cold. Yep. Crushers are all red. Been munching on some crawfish. See if we can get another one. Oh my God, I hope that's on camera. Oh, that was freaking awesome. That was awesome. Oh, I hope that's on camera. Another one, really pretty one though. He was sitting on the other side of that little rock point right in front of me there. He come up and smoked it right as I paused it. He had it. He's just swimming with it. Ooh, got that one. Oh, he come off. I hit him too hard with this big rod. He hit it as I was burning it. Oh, he come off. Oh, that was a good fish. That was a really good fish. Oh, he slammed it. There we go. There's a much better fish. Oh, yes, sir. Get on up here, big girl. There's a nice 3-pounder. There we go. There's a 3-pounder. Felt this crankbait pop off of something, like a little limb or something down there. And as soon as it did, I paused it, and she come up and just slurped it right in. And get her unhooked here. Get my pliers. But I've got her hooked all all hooks on the back. I get these front hooks out. Well, shoot. You don't get to keep my crankbait, darling. There we go. There we go, folks. She's not quite 3. Looks like she spawned out already, though. Get on back in there, baby. That's a little 2.5. 2.5. It's hard to judge these largemouth after we've been catching smallmouth for a month.